You are losing bidding wars because you are only looking at houses that are already perfect, while the smartest buyers are making a fortune on the ugly ones. The FHA 203k loan is a powerful tool that allows you to buy a home and finance the entire cost of repairs and upgrades into a single monthly payment. Instead of needing $20,000 in cash for a new kitchen after you close, the bank provides those funds up front based on the future value of the home. The limited 203k is perfect for cosmetic upgrades like paint, flooring, and appliances, covering up to $50,000 in total renovations. If the house needs major structural work, like a new roof or a foundation repair, the standard version of the loan allows for much larger, unlimited budgets. One of the biggest benefits is that you only need a 3.5% down payment on the total improved price, making it incredibly accessible for first-time buyers. You will need to work with a licensed contractor and a 203k consultant to ensure your renovation plan meets the strict safety and habitability standards, because you are buying the house at a discount and improving it immediately. You often walk into your move-in date with significantly more equity than a traditional buyer. Stop waiting for the perfect house to hit the market and use a renovation loan too. Create the exact home you want in a neighborhood you love.